And welcome back. And we begin with the news that ISA President Keith Wellington says no consensus has been reached as yet about the resumption of the Manning and DaCosta Cup competitions, despite a meeting being held last week Friday on the matter. Both competitions had reached the round of 16 stage when Hurricane Melissa impacted the island, and in particular the rural parishes, on October 28. A number of suggestions were made at the meeting, including resuming the mostly corporate area-based Manning Cup competition, which was not severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa. But speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday afternoon, Wellington says, contrary to reports, no decision has been arrived at as yet.
We have had the discussions about how we resume and what are our options. So obviously that would have been mentioned or suggested. I can tell you that we actually met with the schools involved in rural football. We have met with the principals and the coaches. We have also met with sponsors, but we have not yet come to a decision as to when we will resume, because ultimately that decision has to be one based on consensus.
Wellington also sought to point out that it's not only schoolboy football that was impacted, but also netball and basketball, and noted a decision is to be made on those sports as well.
So we have three competitions that has been affected by the hurricane. We have not taken a decision yet as to what we will do with them. What I can say is that we have started the process of deliberations, which means that we have to meet with the schools, all the schools, and in particular those schools that have been impacted directly by the hurricane. In cases where we have sponsors, we have to meet with the sponsors as well. And we will ultimately also have to ensure that what we have planned is aligned with the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Sports in particular in terms of the way forward. So that process is currently ongoing.